Hey guys, Joe here at JP Details with a particular favourite product of mine, which is Auto Finesse Tripple, an all-in-one polish. Tripple is the perfect all-in-one cleaner polish enriched with pure Brazilian #1 grade Carnauba wax. Its easy application will deep clean paintwork and add a protective layer of Carnauba wax in one simple step, making it the ultimate product for the speedy detailer. Tripple removes stubborn oxidation and contamination using deep cleansing solvents whilst gently refining the paint surface to a high gloss finish with fast acting fine diminishing abrasives. It also leaves behind ultra slick film formers to help obscure and glaze minor defects, whilst laying down T1 grade Carnauba wax to protect and lock in the shine. Auto Finesse Tripple can be used on its own or as the base for Tough Coat or any of the other Auto Finesse Carnauba waxes. Tripple can be applied by machine or by hand. As I always apply Auto Finesse Tripple by hand, I will explain how to apply the product using this method. Use your favourite handheld applicator and apply a few blobs of product and begin working it into the paintwork with light to medium pressure. You may use either circular or linear hand motions. For best results, confine yourself to working a small area at a time and leave the product to haze for several minutes before buffing the residue using a microfiber towel. I find Tripple is good with all paint colours and paint types, and due to it being able to cleanse, polish and protect the paintwork all in one step, makes it perfect for those vehicles where time is of the essence. You can pick up a 250ml bottle of Tripple from the Auto Finesse website for £8. I attempted a 50-50 comparison whilst valeting this Mercedes E350. Tape down the middle and Auto Finesse Tripple applied to the right hand side of the bonnet. The product is allowed to cure on the paintwork to haze up for 20 minutes and then buffed using a microfiber towel. White was not the best colour for showing you the capabilities of Auto Finesse Tripple, and nor was this regularly valeted Mercedes E350. I've seen vehicles completely transformed after a Tripple application, even if the paint swirls are only being temporarily covered up. I'm fully aware there is practically no difference with the right and left hand side of the bonnet. It wasn't what I was hoping for, and this product honestly does improve the appearance of a car, but as it seems all the light paint swirls in the Mercedes paintwork are already being covered up. In my ideal world, I would spend a week removing every last defect in the Mercedes paintwork, but as a professional business I am working to the customer's requirements. Auto Finesse Tripple has always performed exactly how I want a polish to perform. Quick application and quick removal, whilst providing a nicely enhanced finish and one that is also protected. The term full valet, which I refer to as a gold valet, should always include polishing of the paintwork. By using an all-in-one polish over a generic polish means we can implement detailing into our valeting services, setting us apart from the competition. Cleanse, polish and protect, all in one step. As always, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you are not already, follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and why not pick yourself up a pack of 2 JP Details air fresheners for £4.75. They smell beautiful. I'll hopefully catch you in the next one.